So what if Deku had overhaul overhaul quirk? So we start our very beginning when he went to the quirk doctor and his mom. Oh yeah, he's gonna be a hero. Yeah. It started with the quirk doctor, and when they were at the quirk doctor, they they were trying to test his quirk, but not like they test him, and they saw he could destroy and recreate stuff, kind of like that, and yeah, and the doctor said he pretty got a pretty powerful quirk, and Inko said, "Oh, that's interesting." And Deku went to daycare. He was one of the was kind of popular than Bakugo because he got like a cooler and way more stronger quirk. But Bakugo tried to try to make him seem the villain, but it didn't work. Yeah. Yeah. Over the couple years, they were training. He and Bakugo were like fighting a lot, but they could always win. Yeah, the start of the anime. So whatever the teacher said, he was like walking to class, and he got his papers and throw them up in the air and say, who wants to be a hero? And everybody was like crazy, going wildly, and see, and the teacher said, calm down, and teacher said, okay, so there's two students that want to go to UA, that wants to go to UA, and that's called Bakugo and Deku. And Bakugo was like, what the why do you want to go to UA? You're a villain. And Deku didn't say anything. He's usually quiet. So yeah. Yeah, he's usually quiet. And he just kind of just whenever the bell rings, he kind of been quiet. He kind of started leaving, but Bakugo, he has like his notebook out, and Bakugo destroyed it. And whenever, everybody left except from his friends. Whenever that happened, Deku got mad. So he, see what he did. He kind of like made him limbless. But like after like a couple of seconds, while Bakugo was screaming, he touched him again and make him not, limbless. And Deku kind of just beatbox away, and he was walking down an alley. Now, the sludge villain event not gonna happen. Let's say sludge villain gone. He was gone. No one did see him. He just straight up vanish. Okay, he was gone. So he was walking down the street, and he saw this little girl, and let's say Deku is kind of like an anti-hero. I mean, a vigilante kind of. He stops villains, but he kind of got like a little organization, and he got a couple people, and he got a base. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you that. So you saw Airy. Oh yeah, overhaul. He's also in this, so they got the same quirk. I don't know how that happened. Let's say they were related, but one of them, but overhaul, he like, let's say they got the, let's say they lost a baby. Let's say a villain raised him, and now he becomes a villain. I don't know. Wait, no. Let's say someone took him. And not a villain, just a person, and with a sneak quirk, and the doctors didn't see it because like the sneak quirk, like he can like make things like kind of invisible, and himself visible, if he wants. So yeah. See what else? Well, so he went down the street. He saw this little girl. She had white hair, and she was just crying. And overhaul never met her. I don't know what time period he met her, because I haven't watched season 4. No, I watched like the fight, but between Deku and Overhaul. But that's it. See what else? Yeah, he met her, and Deku said, "What are you doing here alone?" And Deku said, Eri said that, Eri said, Eri said, "I'm all alone." And Deku said, "Why?" "Because, of my quirk." And Deku said, "What's your quirk?" "Oh, it's like a rewind quirk." And he said, "Still, why are you, here?" And, because I killed my dad. So yeah. Yep, and I'll end that for now.